I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Guitar Hero on the Dolphin Emulator. It's a fantastic way to revisit classic rhythm games with improved visuals. We'll cover everything from setting up the emulator to configuring your guitar controller and finally launching your favorite game. Get ready to shred some virtual tunes and experience these iconic titles in a whole new light. This guide will help you achieve a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience, ensuring every note hit feels just right. To get the best experience, open Dolphin's graphics settings. Choose Vulkan or OpenGL as your backend for stable performance. Increasing the internal resolution to 2 or 3 times native will make the game look much sharper than on original hardware. If you notice any input delay, try disabling VSync. These adjustments are crucial for a smooth and visually appealing Guitar Hero session on your computer. Connecting your guitar controller is key. Use a compatible adapter to plug it into your computer. Then, in Dolphin, go to the controller settings and select GameCube Controller 1 or Wii Remote 1 depending on your game. Carefully map each button, including the strum bar, fret buttons, and the whammy bar, to ensure accurate input. Test all inputs thoroughly before starting your game for a flawless performance. Once everything is configured, it's time to play. Click Open in Dolphin and select your Guitar Hero game file. The game should launch, and you can then verify that all your controller inputs are working perfectly within the game's menus. Now you're all set to dive into the music, hit those notes, and enjoy countless hours of Guitar Hero fun with enhanced graphics and responsive controls. Have a blast!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.